How to enable live voicemail on iPhone. So if you use an iPhone and you want to turn on live voicemail on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or enable voicemail or live voicemail on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on settings. This is going to open your iPhone settings app. Once open, scroll down the page, click on apps. This is for iOS 18. On iOS 17 or earlier, you want to click on the phone app on the settings page, but on iOS 18 or later, go ahead and click on apps. Then scroll down the page and open the Photos app. So this is still similar to the Photos app you open on iOS 17 or earlier. So click on Phone app. Now scroll down. Then you should see Live Voicemail here. Click on it. Once you selected Live Voicemail, then go ahead and turn on Live Voicemail if you have this disabled. So just toggle this off, and then you should say view a transcript of an incoming call voicemail in real time and answer the call before it ends. Calling and data rate may apply. Then once it is enabled, then you're good to go. You can now hit the back button. Go back to the phone app again on your home screen, and then set up your voicemail greetings. And then whenever you have an incoming voicemail, you can easily access this, listen to it, and even return call before the voicemail is completed. So that is basically how to turn on or enable live voicemail on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.